Honey is derived from flower nectar, which is broken down into simple sugars and stored inside honeycomb. The design of the honeycomb and the constant fanning of bees' wings causes evaporation and the creation of sweet liquid honey. The type of flowers used influences the color, taste, and fragrance of honey, resulting in numerous honey varieties. Honey has been highly appreciated since ancient times. This video will discuss the benefits of honey and why it should be consumed daily. All information in the video is fact-checked, unbiased, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Firstly, honey is an excellent source of energy and antioxidants that can replace sugar. It sweetens food and drinks such as yogurt, tea, and coffee while avoiding the harmful effects of plain sugar. However, honey is still a type of sugar, and its consumption can cause blood sugar levels to spike. It can also be used as a home remedy for soothing symptoms of burns or wounds. Nevertheless, honey should not be given to children under 1 year of age, as it could cause botulism, a rare but serious condition that can cause paralysis. Secondly, honey can help improve sleep quality. Long hours of work and little sleep can negatively affect one's health and quality of life. Honey triggers the release of melatonin, which is the hormone the body uses to recover during sleep. If melatonin production is disrupted due to various reasons, such as exposure to blue light screens or high-stress activities close to bedtime, consuming honey can aid in restoring it. Eating honey before bed spikes insulin levels, which releases tryptophan that is then converted to serotonin and eventually becomes melatonin. In addition to its potential benefits for sleep and energy, honey has also been found to have positive effects on brain function. Research suggests that honey can reduce neuroinflammation, which is a common factor in cognitive decline and conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. By reducing inflammation in the brain, honey may help to protect against cognitive decline and improve overall brain function. Furthermore, honey is believed to reduce oxidative stress, which can damage cells and tissues throughout the body, including the brain. By reducing oxidative stress, honey may help to improve memory and learning capacity, as well as reduce anxiety. Studies have also found that honey can help to slow down age-related cognitive decline, which can affect memory, thinking, and reasoning abilities. By protecting against cognitive decline, honey may help individuals to maintain their cognitive abilities as they age. Regular consumption of honey has also been associated with improved focus and alertness. Regular consumption of honey can help alleviate feelings of nervous tension and fatigue. The glucose in honey is quickly absorbed into the bloodstream, providing energy to neurons and helping to ease anxiety and other psychological disorders. It is crucial to address anxiety as a serious issue and not leave it untreated. Research has shown that nutrition can play a role in treating anxiety, and incorporating raw honey into one's diet can be an excellent addition, especially for those struggling with mental health and anxiety. Studies on rats have demonstrated that honey's anticonvulsant and antidepressant effects can bring neurological enhancements. Honey contains various nutrients, including minerals like calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc, as well as ascorbic acid, pantothenic acid, niacin, and riboflavin, which have significant antioxidant effects. Adding honey to one's daily routine is easy, starting with replacing sugar in coffee and tea. Not only will it sweeten one's day, but it can also improve mood and overall health. Honey is well known for its ability to soothe a sore throat and is recommended in the medical world for relieving coughs, especially during the common cold. Its potent nutritional and antibacterial properties make it a useful companion during cold and flu season. Honey can reduce pain and inflammation associated with swollen lymph nodes, making it an excellent natural remedy for colds and flu. It is also recommended for children over 1 year old who are struggling with respiratory infections that affect sleep. Scientific studies have shown that honey can be a great alternative to many cough medications, and in some cases, it may be more effective than diphenhydramine in reducing coughing duration and symptoms. Honey has also been found to improve sleep quality for children with cold or flu. Therefore, having honey around can act as a natural and safe cough suppressant that can be used wisely. Number 6. Enhance your digestive health by consuming raw honey, which serves as a prebiotic that promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria and facilitates digestion. Honey contains oligosaccharides that pass through the digestive tract undigested and ferment in the colon, producing short-chain fatty acids that support the growth of bacteria and aid in digestion. Raw honey's high vitamin, mineral, and antioxidant content can also help reduce inflammation and restrain the production of nitric oxide and prostaglandins, which can ease acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. Studies on mice have even shown that raw honey can soothe and heal the gut lining, improve gut microflora, and reduce toxin buildup. Some researchers suggest that honey may even be effective in treating Helicobacter pylori bacteria, a common cause of stomach ulcers. Additionally, honeycomb is a great source of vitamin A and fiber, which can help balance the gut microbiome and promote beneficial gut bacteria. Number 7. Raw honey can help lower bad cholesterol levels in the body. In one study published in the Scientific World Journal, participants consumed 70 grams of honey daily for 30 days and showed a 3% reduction in total cholesterol. Another study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food demonstrated an 8% reduction in bad cholesterol levels. This could be due to honey's powerful antioxidant properties, which have been shown to reduce bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels while boosting good cholesterol levels. Number 8. Protect your heart by adding more antioxidants and healthy nutrients to your diet, starting with raw honey. Heart disease is the leading cause of death globally, so it's important to take steps to keep your heart healthy and strong. Raw honey is rich in antioxidant phenolic acids and flavonoids, which support overall better health. These potent antioxidants can prevent arteries from narrowing, reducing the risk of headaches, memory loss, or cardiac failure. Scientific reviews suggest that raw honey can also help lower blood pressure, improve blood fat levels, regulate heartbeat, and prevent cellular decay. In one observational study including 4,500 people over the age of 40, researchers found a positive association between moderate honey intake and a reduced risk of high blood pressure. Studies on rats have also shown that raw honey can protect the heart from oxidative stress. Honey can also aid in improving cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which are known risk factors for heart disease. By reducing bad cholesterol and increasing good cholesterol, the risk of heart disease can be lowered as well. Another benefit: honey contains essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that provide the body with energy without contributing to weight gain. Although honey is sweet, it has a different sugar composition than refined white sugar commonly added to coffee. In conclusion, incorporating raw honey into your daily diet can provide a wide range of health benefits. From boosting your immune system, to improving gut health and cholesterol levels, to aiding in weight loss. As with any food, it's important to consume honey in moderation, as it is still high in calories and sugar. But when used mindfully, raw honey can be a powerful addition to your healthy lifestyle. So why not give it a try and see how it can enhance your overall well-being? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.